Hello, good afternoon. Today is March. What is today? It's March 31st. I've been up for about 30 minutes now. I just finished my water and apple cider vinegar. If I didn't tell you, ginagawa ko yun kada umaga. Naka-retainers ako, so pagpasensyahan nyo na if I'm lisping. Dogs are just chill. The cats are also chill. So now, I have work. Monday to Friday kasi talaga I have work. So grateful that we're allowed to work from home. So first thing I do is pagpatak na mga 3 p.m. nag-check na ako sa team if they're all logged in, if there are any issues. And if there's none, I quickly cook something for JM. Chandler, what are you doing? Hindi ko alam kung napakita ko na to ever sa inyo sa vlog. Maybe sa IG stories napapakita ko to, pero ito mo ginawa nila sa couch. Like, we got this couch set for us. Pero syempre, sa kanila na to. Diba, Chandler? Tignan mo, binutas nila. Binutas nila yung couch. Tapos ito, binubutas ulit ni Chandler. I don't know what it is. Parang hindi ko alam kung gusto niya ng soil. So, yun. Sa kanila na yan. Sa kanila na yung buong sala. Nagpapa-defrost na ako ng chicken. Pinapalambot ko lang tong breast fillet. Tapos, magsusute na lang ako ng bagu beans. Tapos, ito yung meat niya. Alright, so done cooking. I don't know what this is called. I added sugar and lots of chili, so it's kind of spicy, sweet, and salty. You tasted the food?
It's really good.
Promise?
Thank you for cooking.
Just gonna quickly work out. Ay, naku, ito mga assistant ko talaga. Mga assistant ko. Time check, it is already 5:56 p.m. I just checked work and nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. Syempre kasi yung mga clients, most of the centers are also on lockdown or observing quarantine, so they're also not working in their offices, which means a little less load for myself and my team.
You know, all day they could say shit they want to say.
Look what I found. Mishka is chewing on a dry dead frog. Is it a frog?
No.
Ew. I got something in the mail. I'm surprised that I can still get packages. This is from Daniel Wellington. Let's unbox this later. Alright, now that I'm done working out, tinatamad ako mag-cool down. So, yung cool down ko, siguro magwawalis na lang ako sa labas. I don't think I've shown you how the space outside looks like. So, I'm gonna show you real quick, but I'm sure there will be a lot of poop because I wasn't able to clean yung labas kahapon. So, yun yung gagawin ko ngayon. I just checked work again and there's nothing much. I actually have an interview later at 9 p.m. So, I'll tell you more about work in a bit, but first, let's clean the garage. So, ito yung labas ng bahay. There's really a chunk of space. And it stretches out hanggang dulo. So, first, let's clean this part. Now that I've kind of cooled down, I'm gonna bathe. I'll be back in a bit. Hey, a lot has happened since I last said hi. So after cleaning up and washing and taking a bath, I went ahead and did some work. They're fighting. So I don't know if that was fighting or playing. After bathing, I went ahead and did some work, talked to my team, replied to some emails, and now I'm back home. Nakagigil, sorry. I did say I got a package from Daniel Wellington, so I wanted to unbox it with you. Okay? Hey. This is not your bag, it's my bag. This is the package. Hey. There's nothing inside. Ay, nako. Kayo ba mag-unbox? Ha? Kayo ba? Go, 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 go. I got the new size ng icon na watch ng Daniel Wellington. So nice. Oh, isn't that so pretty? It's so classy and elegant. They have a new size. Parang dalawa lang eh. It's either really small or really big. So I'm happy they have a new size. So parang medium to. And then I also have accessories. So I have a ring. I'm guessing this is the ring. Haha, it's so cute. Look, I have the desert sand rose gold version ito eh. I hope it's the right size now. I got a size too big before. Oh, perfect. Yes. I love it. I was hoping I could use it sa ring finger, pero maluwag pa rin yung nakuha ko. But that's fine. Like, hindi naman siya. This is the test. Okay, at least hanggang dyan lang siya. The bracelet. Ooh, that's so nice. I already have 2 of the rose gold variants kasi. So for a change, I got the silver na Daniel Wellington cuff. So pretty. I love it. Thank you so much, Daniel Wellington. Now I'm just gonna play with my fur babies before I wash up and call it a day. Love you. Yeah. Ikaw naman? Oh, sige, sige. Liga dito. I'm gonna wash up. Alright, time to sleep. Good night, Mishka. Good night, Chandler. Good night, Joey. I love you. You're covered. Good night. May mga kumakatok ako. Mga pusang ayaw pumasok kanina. Inside. Ay, nako. Kaya yun.